Hello, good morning, childrens. Today, 15/8/2020, Happy Independence Day. Class 8th whole sections continued of revision of parallel lines. I also solve here 2 or 3 sums. First sum is, in the figure angle A is equal to 75. This is your triangle ABC and ACD is your exterior angle. In the figure angle A is equal to 75, CE parallel to AB. CE parallel to AB. If angle ECD is equal to 45, if angle ECD is equal to 40, find the other two angles of the triangle. Find the other two angles of the triangle. In this triangle ABC, angle A is given. Other two angles of a triangle are angle ABC and angle ACD, or simply angle B. But the complete name of this angle is angle ACD, because angle C is made up of three angles: angle ACB, angle ACE, angle ECD. That is why you have to written the name of this angle, complete angle, in triangle ABC, angle ACB. So find these two angles. One angle is given 75, angle A. Angle B is also very clear, because AB parallel to CE and BD is a transversal. Therefore, angle ABC is angle ABD, angle ECD. They are pairs of corresponding angles. So angle B is equal to 40. Angle A is equal to 75. So in triangle, the sum of the measure of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 by using angle sum property. This is one of the easiest method. And second is AB parallel to EC, and AC is a transversal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle ACE. They are pair of alternate interior angles. 75, 75. Now add two angles. Their sum is also equal to 115, and subtract their sum is equal to 180, because all these three angles form a linear pair. Their sum is equal to 180. So in this way you can find this sum. It is given that angle A is equal to 75, CE is equal to AB, and angle ECD is equal to 40. Now AB parallel to CD and BD is a transversal. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ECD is equal to 40, because pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Now, in triangle ABC, using angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB is equal to 180. 75 plus 40 plus angle ACB 180. 115 plus angle ACB is equal to 180. Angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 115 is equal to 65. Thus, angles of a triangle are 75, 40 and 65. Check it, their sum is equal to 180 or not. Okay. Now, second, this is your figure. If AB parallel to DE, if AB parallel to DE, so it is clear that if AB parallel to DE, then AE is your transversals. Then angle BAE is equal to 35, and also angle AED is equal to 35, because pairs of alternate interior angle. It is given that AB parallel to DE, angle BAE is equal to 35, and angle CD is equal to 53 given. Now AB parallel to DE, therefore angle BAE is equal to angle AED. They are pair of alternate interior angles. Pair of alternate interior angles. If angle BA is equal to 35, then angle AED is also equal to 35. Now dear children, find angle ACD. It is very easy. In triangle CDE, angle ACD is called your exterior angle. So in a triangle, an exterior angle equals to the sum of its two interior opposite angles, it is equal to angle D plus angle E. So, or angle ACD is equal to angle D plus angle E. In a triangle, an exterior angle equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angles, or angle ACD is equal to, find angle ACD is equal to 53 plus 35, 538, 88 degree. Find angle ACD. Find angle ACD. Yes, angle ACD is your, in this triangle CDE, angle ACD is known as exterior angle of a triangle, or exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its two interior angle D plus E. 53 plus 35, 538, 358, 88 degree. Now next, fifth, in the figure verify that L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. Verify that. From this figure you have to find L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. So L parallel to M, it is difficult. First we can find P parallel to Q. Why? Because the sum of 135 plus 45 is equal to 180. These are the angles on the same side of transversal. If the sum of the angles on the same side of transversal are equal to 180, then lines will be parallel, or this pair of angle is known as co-interior angles. If the sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180, then lines will be parallel, P parallel to Q. So 135 plus 45 is equal to 180, because they are co-interior angles. If the sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180, then lines will be parallel, P parallel to Q. And second, find angle 1. Angle 1 and 45 form a linear pair, or angle 1 and 135, they are pairs of corresponding angles. In any one way you can use this. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 45 is equal to 135, because linear pair, and or angle 1 is equal to 135 because linear pair. Right properties also, linear pairs. Also L parallel to M, 135 is angle 1 is equal to 135. They are pairs of corresponding angles. If pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then lines will be parallel. Thus P parallel to Q and L parallel to M, hence verified. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Once again, happy independence to all of you.